Hello again, everyone. This is DIY The Art of Wood, and I'm Jeremy, and welcome to my war zone. I mean, look at this mess. This is a disgrace. I should be ashamed of myself. But hey, that's okay. This is going to be the start of a long-term, ongoing project that's been long overdue here in the shop. And that's finally to get this place fully organized, kind of set up, and a lot more functional for myself, so that hopefully something like this doesn't ever happen again. First step, obviously, I just need to clean up. I need to, put all my tools away, coil the hoses, put the cords away, throw out the junk, just get it cleaned up and see where I'm at that point. Then I can kind of move on to the next kind of longer term phase of this project, and that's to, really get this shop organized. I'm planning on building some shelves, some racks. I've got some used cabinets I picked up here that I'm going to repurpose and make workbenches and that sort of thing out of. And really get this shop, really organized. So today we're just going to do the cleanup. I'm going to periodically post videos of this long-term project so you can kind of see the progress, and we'll go from there. Okay, so before I get started, I'm going to take you on a quick little panoramic shop tour just so we can get a look at how bad I let this get before I start to clean up, and we can also kind of gauge my progress as I move along on this project. Okay, let's start the tour, shall we? Oh, and there's Mabel, of course. So we'll just take a quick little walk around so you can kind of get an idea what I'm starting with here. And I apologize in advance. I'll try not to jostle the camera around too much. I don't want to get anybody car sick while I'm walking around. But this will at least give you a good, before and... Nope, just knocked something over. This will give you a good, kind of before and after idea of what I'm starting with. And I really don't know how I let it get this bad, but it happens. But I should be ashamed of myself anyway. And part of the reason I'm posting this on YouTube today is, I post this, I kind of commit myself to the project, so you guys can kind of hold me accountable, I suppose. And there's my wood pile there. But that's really about it. You can see I've got tools piled everywhere. Cords laying all over the ground. It's just a mess. Well, hopefully that'll give you an idea. I'm going to shut this off and get started, and be on the lookout for periodic updates on this little project here. Well, that was a lot of work. I'm definitely far from finished, but at least it's a step in the right direction. At least I'll be able to move around in here without tripping over stuff. And I should be able to work in here again. That'll be nice. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for stopping by.